Hello class, this is my Piet Mondrian PowerPoint tutorial. That was a mouthful. And today I'm going to show you how I would teach my 6th grade class how to create a presentation on the PowerPoint when I would ask them to look up an artist that I would assign them and give a presentation as to why they are important. So first, you would obviously go to PowerPoint through here, through your applications. My 6th graders should know how to do this by now, but it's right there. You click on that. And it needs to look something like this. It needs to have a design where all of the transitions or these slides have a kind of detail. So you can change it. So you can make it into anything you want. It's art class. I don't want it to just be blank white pages. So I almost want to change it to no bubbles. No. We'll just go here. Okay. And see, to the right, it has design ideas, so it can, make it more unique, or it can make it wider, and you can choose whichever you want. One of the slides that they'll need is the biography slide, so I want to know, where they're from, the wife and kids, who or what influenced them. So his father was a head teacher, and he influenced as a drawing teacher, so that was a really big part of his life. The art movements that Piet Mondrian was a part of. Some artists don't have that many, and if they only have one, explain what they were. Now, I also want my students to know how to upload photos. So you can do it in multiple ways. You can copy and paste. So I will do that now. So for example, I could do this. I could copy, go back to PowerPoint, right click, and right here is paste, and boom, photo shows up. You could add more detail by inserting a text box. I really don't need to do that right now, but if you did, you would click it, drag it, and start typing away. Picture 1, or more details about that. And another way you could do it to save a picture is right click, save image as, desktop, because that's very accessible and where you can send it. I'm going to save it to Piet, because that's who I'm talking about. And it pops up right down here. So you'll go in here, insert, pictures, desktop, Piet, because that's what you saved it as, insert, and boom, same idea. This process would just get my students to understand what we're working on in our project. So for example, if I introduced a primary colors assignment, then this would really get them in the mindset as to who really influenced this product. And then it gets them, gets the class to work in together, and it's not just, oh, art class is so easy. Well, you have to do your research in order to really produce the great work that you're wanting to. And art history is one of the most influential things in the world. It didn't just influence art, it influenced the entire world. All right, that's it.